Hi there guys and girls, welcome to today's lesson on the 5-stroke roll. Let's get into it. Okay then guys and girls, so today we're going to look at the 5-stroke roll. It is one of the rudiments and it comes in quite handy leading into fillings. You can chuck it on your hi-hat to add a little bit of extra texture into your beats. So let's get into it and have a look at the music. Okay, so this is the 5-stroke roll. As you can see, it gets its name from you do 5 notes per roll. Okay, so the sticking for this would be right, right, left, left, right, left, and then left, left, right, right, left. Okay, so we're doing both right hand lead and left hand lead. Okay, so I'll play a little bit for you and you can see what that looks like. Okay, I'll pop the music down below. With the 5-stroke roll, you can play it 2 different ways. So we do what's called an open roll and a closed roll. Okay, we'll start with the open roll first, and I'll just play it through slowly so you can see what I'm doing, and then we'll speed it up a little bit. So to start off with, you've got a double stroke with your right, double stroke with your left, then a single stroke with your right. So you go right, right, left, left, right. Okay, right, right, left. Okay, and then left hand lead, left, left, right, right, left. Left, left, right, right, left. Okay? Left, left, right, right, left. Left, left, right, right, left. Left, left, right, right, left. Okay? So that's what we call an open roll. It's played a bit slower and you can basically see all the strokes. So you go. So if I play it a little bit quicker. Okay, and now we're going to go through the closed roll. So when we close it, we play it more of a bounce stroke. So it's a bit quicker. So it's more like, you get more like a buzz sort of sound out of it. So if I play it with the right hand lead, you get and left hand lead. Okay, so as you can hear, still double stroking. You just play them a lot closer together. So right hand lead, left hand lead. Okay, so how I'm getting the bounce, you can do it 2 ways. If you're a beginner, I'd suggest looking at, I've got a lesson on double stroke rolls and single stroke rolls where I go a little bit over stick technique. But there are 2 ways to play it. So you can either do the push pull technique where you get 2 hits with the 1. Okay, or you can, for beginners it might be a bit easier just to bounce the stick. So if you just release it a little bit and you just let the stick bounce. It's not the best way to play, but learning at a beginner level is probably a bit easier than having to focus so much on the technique at the moment. Okay, so one more time. So open roll, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, left. And then we're going to close it. Okay, so that is the 5-stroke roll. I said it is one of the rudiments. It's worth learning all the rudiments. There are 26 traditional rudiments. If you look at the American and a few of these different types of triplets, Swiss triplets and things like that, which sort of expand the rudiment set to 40. Learn the traditional 26 first. If you Google it, they'll all come up. I will be doing lessons on all the 26 rudiments and then progressing into the 40. But yeah, just have some fun with it. I will be doing a follow-up lesson to this where I show you how to use it around the kit. So the way you might use it around the kit is if you do a closed roll, then go into a beat. So 1, So you start off with your right, right, left. That's the bit lead into the beat. And then the 5th stroke would be your 1 on the start of the beat. So it'd be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and. So you can see how you can sort of use it to lead into things. You can even use it to lead into filling. So although it's not the best for me to do it on here, but I can just sort of show you, so you get like, so that gives you sort of an idea of how you can lead into a filling with it. And you can use it just on the tom, so you're like, just working your way around. But as I said, I will go into this in more depth in another lesson. And you can also use it on your hi-hat as a filling. So imagine that just played on the hi-hat there. So you sort of get the idea of what it sounds like. I'll just give you a little bit without the pad on. I'll just give you a little idea with the pad off. Okay. Close roll. And then if we use that to lead into like a little drum roll. Okay, so just to give you a few ideas to mess around with. As I said, take your time with it, start off slow, have fun. Always try to play to a metronome just to get your timing right. And yeah, just take it to your kit and have some fun with it. I'll catch you next time. See you later, bye.